ISRO Robotics Challenge is organized by URSC ISRO annually from the year 2024 to commemorate the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 lander near the lunar South Pole. It is a national-level innovation challenge organized to inspire students to develop advanced technologies for future space exploration missions. In line with the spirit of innovation, the third edition of IROC-Q Challenge was announced for the year 2026, calling for teams to demonstrate a fully autonomous UAV and base station capable of surveying, navigation, feature detection, autonomous landing, data transfer, and charging in a GPS-denied environment, closely simulating future planetary exploration missions. The challenge was conducted through multiple stages, including registration, preliminary, qualification, elimination, and final field rounds, enabling students to transform engineering concepts into real-world autonomous robotic systems. In all, 590 proposals were received and 319 proposals were selected in the preliminary round. Subsequently, 247 proposals were selected in the qualification round. Following this, 74 proposals qualified for elimination round. Out of these 74, 20 proposals were selected for the final field round demonstration at URSC. The final field round of the ISRO Robotics Challenge URSC IROC-Q 2026, conducted from 21st July to 23rd July at UR Rao Satellite Center, URSC, Bengaluru, brought together the brightest young innovators from across India. The event was inaugurated on 21st July by Shri M. Shankaran, Director URSC, in the presence of Dr. V. Koteshwar Rao, Chief Evaluator, and Shri KVS Bhaskar, Chairperson IROC-Q 2026, marking the beginning of 3 inspiring days dedicated to autonomous robotics, innovation, and scientific excellence. The inaugural address was by Shri M. Shankaran, Director URSC, who inspired the participants with his thoughts on innovation, scientific excellence, and the role of youth in shaping India's future.
That chutzpah is there inside you, that you thought, all of you, the 600 teams, I want to congratulate every one of you that beyond the classrooms and the assignments and the examinations, some of you were ready to take up this kind of challenge. So let me congratulate you for taking the first step towards innovation. This challenge appears to be not so tough. What do you think, the students? Any of you feel that the challenge is very easy? No challenge is bigger in front of the power of our brain. And I am sure you will bring more glory to our country, and wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Shri M. Shankaran inaugurated the IROC-Q 2026 Challenge Arena through a ribbon-cutting ceremony, officially marking the commencement of the final round of the competition. The selected 20 finalists demonstrated cutting-edge solutions for the ASCENT, Autonomous Surveyor Challenge for exploration, navigation, and dynamics, tackling mission scenarios closely aligned with future planetary exploration technologies. Day 1. Day 1 started with Team Orbital Bytes, Francis Xavier Engineering College from Tirunelveli. The team demonstrated innovative features on the adoption of an autonomous battery swapping mechanism instead of conventional charging, enabling faster turnaround between missions. Team Titans from YCCE Nagpur presented a dual drone concept for increased mission success. Team Quantum Realms from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham Chennai proposed an innovative pyramidal ground station design that helps compensate for misalignment during landing. The autonomous scan was performed with good stability. Team Icarus from IIT Dharwad was noted for its well-designed and user-friendly interface, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. Team Aviators from Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, NUSVID, demonstrated simplified but an effective design of ground station charging system. Day 2 started with Team Qubit Dynamics from Heritage Institute of Technology, Kolkata, employing a conical guiding structure to compensate for landing misalignment, ensuring reliable alignment of the drone. They also implemented an image stitching technique for seed image identification. Team Manit from Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology presented a unique landing gear design that provides a simplified interface for battery charging. Team Eternal from KIET Group of Institutions proposed a unique base station design for precise drone alignment, ensuring accurate mating of multiple electrical contacts for balanced battery charging. Team Anveshak from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras developed and demonstrated a compact and information-rich user interface capable of displaying numerous mission parameters while maintaining good usability. Team IIC from Singbhad Institute of Technology, Lonavla implemented an iris-type mechanism to protect the charging contacts from accidental damage during landing. Team Parallax, School of Engineering and Sciences, MIT ADT University, demonstrated rapid turnaround capability, enabling quick retrieval and redeployment of the drone even after entanglement in the safety net. Team Arrow from Institute of Technology, Nirma University, Ahmedabad, indigenously developed the drone frame and implemented a contact detection mechanism to ensure charging starts only after proper electrical contact. The team performed autonomous survey with extremely stable flight. Team Wingmen, Alliance University, Bengaluru, incorporated a protective propeller enclosing frame around the drone to provide additional protection against collisions, enhancing operational safety and reducing the risk of propeller damage. Team Matrix from KK Vaugh Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nasik, indigenously developed the drone frame, integrating all major components into a compact and structurally efficient airframe. Day 3 commenced with Team Dhruva, Government College of Engineering, Karad, demonstrating a simple and effective mechanism for achieving balanced battery charging, reducing system complexity while ensuring uniform charging. Team RIG, National Institute of Technology, Calicut, incorporated a compliant contact structure to compensate for misalignment between the charging contacts, ensuring reliable electrical connection during battery charging. Team Luma from the LNM Institute of Information Technology, Jaipur, employed Y-code markers to enable precise autonomous landing of the drone on the base station, improving landing accuracy and repeatability. Team Golden Ratios from Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, Coimbatore, incorporated LIDAR to enhance the safety of autonomous drone operations through obstacle avoidance. Team Galactic Gearheads from Pune Institute of Computer Technology, who utilized a continuous image stream to improve the accuracy and robustness of feature detection during visual processing. The final Team Aerial Robotics from IIT Kanpur proposed the use of an extended landing gear to provide a reliable battery charging interface, improving accessibility to the charging contacts and enabling consistent electrical connection during autonomous charging. The valedictory ceremony on 23rd July was graced by Dr. V. Narayanan, Secretary, Department of Space and Chairman ISRO. Dr. V. Koteshwar Rao described the event as a festival of innovation, appreciating the exceptional quality of the student solutions and the spirit of healthy competition. Shri M. Shankaran, Director URSC, highlighted that the true success of IROQ lies not merely in winning, but in the confidence, technical competence, teamwork, and lifelong learning gained throughout the journey. Dr. V. Narayanan, Secretary, Department of Space and Chairman ISRO, reflected on India's extraordinary journey in space, from transporting rocket components on bicycles to accomplishing globally celebrated missions such as Mars Orbiter Mission, Chandrayaan, SpaceX, and NISR. He reminded the students that every milestone in India's space program was built upon perseverance, teamwork, and self-belief, and encourage them to become contributors to the nation's future technological leadership.
It is Indians who are having the best camera in the moon orbit. And that is the type of development which has taken place. Like that, lot of achievements, accomplishments, and 10 scientific missions we have accomplished. Now the purpose of this meet is to make scientific temper among the youngsters. In fact, ISRO, today it is a successful organization. It is only because of the teamwork. The success or failure is finally in the hand of you people. Our greetings to each and every one of you for your successful professional and personal life. All the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Participants of IROCU 2026 spoke of months of experimentation, repeated failures, redesigns, crashed drones, sleepless nights, and relentless perseverance that ultimately transformed classroom knowledge into real engineering solutions. They described the competition as a life-changing experience that strengthened their understanding of robotics, artificial intelligence, and autonomous systems while building confidence, resilience, and lifelong friendships with peers from across the country. As the curtains came down on IROCU 2026, one message resonated throughout the event. The greatest achievement was not the competition itself, but the ignited spirit of innovation in hundreds of young minds who will shape the future of India's space program. The final winners would be announced on August 23, 2026 at the National Space Day 2026 celebrations at Ahmedabad. With preparations for the next edition already underway, IROCU continues to grow as a national platform that inspires today's students to become tomorrow's space explorers, scientists, and technology leaders.